how to turn on private session on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on private session on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click here in the top corner to go to settings, click on it, and then you need just to find this one, private session, and click on it to turn it on. And as you see, private session has been turned on, and if you want to turn it off again, just click on it. And that's how to turn on private session on Spotify. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.